February 17, 2026, negative 36 outside, tama? This is so memorable. Na-stuck pa yung car natin, tama? But God is good. So dearest Jeff, Camille, and family, we are finally here. Congratulations on your new beautiful home. We honor you for taking courage to go after your dreams of buying your new home. Di ba, nung una medyo kabado pa tayo, tama? We don't treat you as clients but as family. May you create happy memories in this home. Love, forgiveness, joy, and peace. If you need anything, we are always here for you. Blessings, Chris and Alice. And these are the keys to your home. And I hope you'll be able to put to good use our gifts for you. So congratulations on your possession day. Yay!